Srivastava. In this video we are talking about moon phases. All planets will move around the sun and also moon moves around the earth. It takes about a month for moon to move around the earth. Moon makes phases when it will move around the earth. There are 8 phases of moon. Now let's start the experiment. In this experiment we need torch, scissor, thermocol ball, toothpick, black color, slime and old cardboard box. First I take the black color paint and color inside the box. I colored the cardboard box very dark because it will look like a real dark night space. Now I will cut the openings. I cut 8 openings to show 8 phases of moon. One in the front and one in the back and 3 on the both sides. Now I take the thermocol ball and put the toothpick like this. Now I put the thermocol ball middle of the box. I put the thermocol ball like this. Now I will put the cap on the box. I will take the torch and put it in the front side. Now our experiment is ready. In this setup we can see different phases of the moon. When we see the thermocol ball from different opening, when we light is put from the front opening. See, this is new moon. This is completely dark at this side. This is second phase. This is called waxing crescent moon. This is third phase of the moon. This is called first quarter or half moon. This is fourth phase of the moon. It is called waxing gibbous moon. This is fifth phase of the moon. This phase is called full moon. This is sixth phase of the moon. This is called waning gibbous moon. This is seventh phase of the moon. This phase is called third quarter or half moon. This is eighth phase of the moon. This phase is called waning crescent moon. Do you know some interesting facts about a moon? The distance between Earth and Moon is approximately 3,84,000 kilometers. It takes 3 days to reach Moon from the Earth by the rocket. The Moon is 1/4 size of Earth and 400 times smaller than Sun. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.